Hello and welcome to Simplify Studies. In today's module, we will learn how to draw a timeline in a chronological order and how to calculate events in a timeline. You can create a timeline for the years, months, days, or even for hours. Timeline can be of person's life, events in history, inventions, or anything that shows information during passage of time. Timelines can be fun and they are very easy to create. Children, you know that Gregorian calendar is originally from Europe and birth of Christ is one of the most important event in history. So, the numbering in a Gregorian calendar starts after the birth of Christ. The years after the birth of Jesus Christ is denoted by AD or CE. AD means Anno Domini and CE means Common Era. The years that start with 20 are in 21st century. The years that start with 19 are in 20th century. The years that start with 18 are in 19th century. The reason the centuries are always one step ahead of the year is because there was no year zero in the Gregorian calendar. It jumps from 1 BCE to 1 CE, which means 1 before Common Era to Common Era. Children, towards your right hand side, you write CE, which means Common Era, and towards your left hand side, we write BCE, which means Before Common Era. Let us take an example to understand how to write dates in AD or CE. Here, I have taken the example of Atlas cycles. Atlas began with manufacturing of bicycles in 1951. As it is a AD date, so you will write it towards your right hand side. In 1965, Atlas emerged as India's largest cycle manufacturing company. So, in timeline you will place it after 1951. In AD 1978, Atlas introduced racing cycles in India. So, 1978 will be written after 1965. In AD 2005, many foreign companies collaborated with Atlas Cycles. So you will continue writing towards your right. After 1978, you will write 2005. But unfortunately, on World Cycle Day, which was on 3rd June 2020, Atlas Cycle decided to shut down their main branch. Children, I hope you are able to understand how to write dates in AD or Common Era. Years after the birth of Christ are counted forward and have AD or CE written before them, such as AD or CE 100, AD or CE 500, etc. And all the years before the birth of Christ are counted backwards and have BCE written before them, such as 100 BCE or 500 BCE. Let us understand this with one more example. As per historians, between 2500 to 1500 BC, Indus Valley civilization flourished. So, where will you write this? Yes, towards your left hand side. Second example says, Aryans arrived in India from Central Asia between 2000 to 1500 BC. Children, did you notice dates are written backwards in BCE? As per the third example, the early Vedic age started between 1500 to 1000 BC. So, it will come after our second example. And fourth example shows birth of Christ. So, it is considered as the year 1. After the birth of Christ, the years are counted forward, like CE or AD 100, CE or AD 500, etc. Now, let us take one more example and understand how dates are written in AD or CE format. Let us study Anuj's timeline. In AD 2008, Anuj was born. Then in AD 2009, Anuj celebrated his first birthday. Then in 2010, his sister was born. In 2011, his sister celebrated her first birthday. Then in year 2012, Anuj started going to school. In 2013, Anuj started learning cycle. And in 2014, Anuj's sister started going to school. So children, I'm sure you might have noticed all the dates are counted forward in AD. Now, children, if you want to calculate how many years back India became independent, how will you calculate that? Yes, correct. You will subtract current year minus 1947. So, we will get 73 years. Now, suppose if you want to calculate how many years back Lord Buddha was born. If Lord Buddha was born in 563 BC, then what will be his current age? Yes, you will add it to the current year. For example, 563 plus 2020 and you will get the answer 2583 years ago. Now, let me tell you a difference between Gregorian calendar and Shaka calendar. A date in Shaka calendar is always 78 years less than the date of the Gregorian calendar. So, you will have to subtract 78 from Gregorian calendar, current Gregorian calendar to know the current year or current Shaka year. So, as per Shaka calendar, we are in year 1942. So, as per Shaka calendar, we are still in 20th century. But as per Gregorian calendar, we are in 21st century. Children, Gregorian calendar is named after Pope Gregory XIII. Now, let us quickly revise everything. The Gregorian calendar uses the birth of Jesus Christ as its starting point. The year after the birth of Christ have AD or CE written before them. The years before the birth of Christ have BCE written after them. The CE years are counted forward from year 1 and BCE years are counted backward from the year 1. In India, the Shaka calendar is used along the Gregorian calendar. That's all for today. Thank you.